Jai Hind, welcome to today's class. Hope you all have completed all the notes and homework. Did you study all the formulae? See children, without knowing all these formulae, you can't do the problems of this chapter. Do you feel interest in doing problems of this chapter? Now let's move on to more questions. Now the question is, in the figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is 30 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. So we have already done so many questions to find out area of shaded region. Now look at this figure. What is given? The square OABC is inscribed. Inscribed means the figure is described inside this quadrant. Okay. So inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. So OPBQ is a quadrant. If OA is 30 centimeter, OA is given as 30 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of the shaded region. So it is an easy question to find out the area of the shaded region. It is very clear. Area of shaded region is area of quadrant minus area of this inside square. Isn't it? So area of the shaded region is completely inside this quadrant. From this area of quadrant, we have to remove the area of this square to get the area of shaded region. Okay, children. So what is to be found? Area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Isn't it? Area of quadrant minus area of square. Now we have to find out area of quadrant and area of square. So can you find out area of square? What is the formula? Area of square is side into side. Is side given? Yes, OA is the side of the square. So we can find out side into side. 30 into 30 we can find out. Now area of quadrant. What is the formula area of quadrant? Area of quadrant formula 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of square is side into side or side square. Okay. Now side square we can find out. Now we need r, isn't it? Radius of the quadrant. Is it given? Can we take this 30 as a radius of this quadrant? No, radius of quadrant means this OP or OQ. Isn't it? OQ and OP are radius, but it is not given. Only this much is given as 30. OP is not given. So how can we find out? And you know that from the center, if we are joining any point on the circle, it will be the radius. So if I am joining this OB, then OB is the radius of this quadrant, isn't it? OB is the OQ, OB, OP, all are radii. Can you find out this OB? How will you get? You look at this square. What is this OB? Yes, OB is the diagonal of the square. Isn't it? OB is the diagonal. How will you get diagonal of a square? How will you get this OB? Consider this triangle OAB. What type of triangle OAB? Right triangle, because this is square. So this angle is 90 degree. Isn't it? this angle is 90 degree. So OAB is a right triangle. So how will you get OB? OB is the hypotenuse, isn't it? So what we can apply? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. By putting the values for OA and AB, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. OB is the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, what we know? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Isn't it? So here base we have 30 and AB is also 30 because it is a square. All sides are equal. So we can find out using this. So 30 square plus 30 square. Okay. So here OB hypotenuse is OB. OB square is equal to 30 square plus 30 square. So normally we will find out 30 square is 900 plus 900. We will continue like this to find out OB. Okay. But we can do this in another way. See, here we have 2 times of 30 square. Isn't it? So I am saying one easy calculation method. We have 2 times of 30 square. So we can write 2 times of 30 square. Okay. So OB equal to square root of 2 times of 30 square. So we can take separate root. 30 square root is 30, isn't it? Square root of x square, x. Like that, square root of 30 square is 30. Then we have 2 inside the root symbol. So what is the answer? 30 root 2. 30 root 2. But without doing all these calculation, we can find out this diagonal very easily, isn't it? See children, suppose when we have a square with side A, okay, A and this is A. Diagonal can be found by the formula diagonal is equal to root 2A. Root 2A. See here, side is 30. What we got as the diagonal? 30 side. Then root 2. Root 2 into side of the square. Okay. So this formula you have to remember always. Diagonal of a square is only for square. Okay. Diagonal of a square can be found by using the formula root 2 into A. What is A? A is the side of the square. Okay children. So now we can find out radius. We got the radius of the quadrant. Diagonal of the square is actually the radius of the quadrant. What we got that radius? R we got as R is equal to 30 root 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we can apply all these values. Equal to 1 by 4 pi, it is given as 3.14 into, what is R here? 30 root 2 into R square we have 30 root 2 minus side square. So what is the side? 30 itself. So 30 into 30. Okay children. Now simplification. Do it very carefully. See, Here, look at this simplification, how I am doing it. You have to understand properly. Okay, it is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, root 2 into root 2, we know 2. Now, 30 into 2. Okay, minus, here we have 30 into 30. Now, we can cancel 4 and 2. Okay, 4, 2 I cancelled, 2. Okay, now I am not cancelling anything more. Just for easy calculation, what I am doing is, here we have 1 by 2 into, see, 30 can be splitted as 3 into 10, isn't it? And this 30 also can be written as 3 into 10. Okay. And what is 3.14 into 10 into 10? 10 into 10 is 100. 10 into 10 is 100. 3.14 into 100, 314. You can do the calculation in any way, but I am explaining this for your easiness. Okay. Into, now what is remaining here? 10, 10 we have taken. What is remaining? 3 into 3. Okay, children. Minus, what is 30 into 30? 3 into 3? 9. Then 2 zeros. Okay. Now what we can do? Now you can cancel 2 and 314. You will get 157. Okay, 157. Now remaining is 157 into 9. What is 157 into 9? 157 into 9. 63. 6 balance. 45 plus 6. 51. 5 balance. Then 14. Okay. So 1413 minus 900. What is 1413 minus 900? 315. Okay. So the answer is 513 centimeter square. Okay. So here you have studied one new concept. If the side of the square is A, its diagonal can be found by using the formula root 2A. Root 2A. Okay, that is coming by using our Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so that also you have to understand. Then this simplification you have to understand properly. You have to watch the video properly how I have done the simplification. Okay, children. Our next question is, in the figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 7 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Did you see the question? ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. So, quadrant radius is given 7 centimeter. Okay, here also this is also quadrant radius, so 7 centimeter. Now, a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. So, for this semicircle, BC is the diameter. Then question is to find out area of this shaded region. Okay. Did you get the figure, children? This is the figure, isn't it? See, this is the figure. Actually, this figure is a combination of two figures. What are they? A semicircle and a quadrant. Isn't it? Now, where is our shaded region? Our shaded region is completely inside this semicircle. Okay. So, how will you get the area of shaded region? Area of this semicircle minus area of this white portion. Isn't it? So, what is this portion? What is this white portion? So, when we consider this complete figure, so this is our complete figure, isn't it? So, this white portion is coming as the segment of this quadrant, isn't it? See, actually this white portion is coming as the segment of this quadrant. So, what we have to do to get the shaded portion? Area of shaded portion is area of this semicircle minus area of this white portion. So, what is this white portion? This white portion is actually the segment of this quadrant. Okay, children? So, here also we have to and we can understand area of shaded region is area of this complete semicircle minus area of this portion, and this portion is segment of this quadrant. Okay, so let me write area of shaded region. Shaded region is equal to area of semicircle. Area of semicircle minus area of segment. Area of segment. Which segment? Segment of sector or quadrant. How can we name that quadrant? We can name, usually we are naming with 4 letters. So here I am giving another letter D. Okay. So we can give segment of which sector? B, A, C, D, or we can name A, C, D, B. A, C, D, B. Okay, children. So, area of semicircle minus this segment. This segment means segment of this quadrant or sector A, C, D. Okay. First, consider semicircle. We need area of semicircle. So, we are considering semicircle first. Okay. For finding area of semicircle, what is the formula? Area of semicircle formula is half into pi r square. Isn't it? 1 by 2 pi r square. So, we need radius of the semicircle. So, is it given in the question? Can we take this 7 as radius of the semicircle? No. It is given BC is the diameter of the semicircle. So, BC is the diameter of the semicircle. So, if you are naming this as the center O, BC is the diameter. So, OB is the radius. So, OB is the radius of the semicircle. But we don't know what is BC. What is BC? We don't know. See, when we consider this triangle BAC, BC is the hypotenuse, isn't it? Because ABC is a quadrant. Since it is a quadrant, this is 90 degree. So, BAC is a right triangle and BC is the hypotenuse. So, how will you get BC? Hypotenuse square is equal to Pythagoras theorem, base square plus altitude square. Just like last question, here also we are applying base square plus altitude square. Base is 7. 7 square plus altitude also 7 square. Okay. So like last question, how can we write 7 square plus 7 square? We can write 2 times of 7 square. Okay. Here what is our hypotenuse? BC. So BC square is equal to 2 times of 7 square. So what is BC? Square root of 2 into 7 square. So square root of 7 square is 7. Then root 2 we have. Okay children. So without doing this calculation, you can have the hypotenuse of this type of right triangle. What is the speciality of this right triangle? It is isosceles right triangle. Two sides are equal. Base and altitude are equal. So if base and altitude are equal, we can write the hypotenuse easily. How? See, base and altitude are 7. So what is the hypotenuse? That's 7 into root 2. If base and altitude, if both are 10, what will be the hypotenuse? 10 root 2. Okay, that means in a right triangle, if base and altitude are same, then suppose if both are A, hypotenuse will be root 2 into A. Okay, so here both are 7. So here hypotenuse is root 2 into 7. That is 7 root 2. Okay, you have to remember this always. So you can avoid this much calculation. Okay, in higher classes also you need this concept. So remember that if both base and altitude are A, then we can take the hypotenuse as root 2 into A. Okay. So BC is the diameter. Diameter we got as 7 root 2. So for semicircle, we got diameter as equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay, BC. So what is the radius? R is equal to 7 root 2 by 2 centimeter. See, already we have one radius as 7 centimeter, isn't it? Here we got another radius as 7 root 2 by 2. So, I am not giving both as R. Here I am putting as R1. Okay. So, semicircle radius I took as R1. R1 is equal to 7 root 2 by 2 centimeter. Now, we can find out area of the semicircle. Okay. So, area of semicircle equal to 1 by 2 pi r square equal to here r1. Okay, so r1 square. So 1 by 2 into nothing is mentioned about this pi. So 22 by 7 into what is r1? 7 root 2 by 2 into 7 root 2 by 2. Okay, now it is equal to, now simplification, 2 and 22 we can cancel 11, then 1 7 we can cancel. Now what all remaining? Okay, 11 into here root 2 into root 2, 2 into then 1 7 we have by again here 2 into 2. Okay children. Now again we can do the cancellation. 1, 2 we can cancel. So what is remaining? 77 by 2. Okay. This much centimeter square. Area of semicircle is 77 by 2 centimeter square. So we have further calculation using this. So I am writing this 77 by 2 as 38.5 centimeter square. Okay children. 38.5 centimeter square. Area of semicircle 38.5 centimeter. Now what we need? Area of the segment. Area of the segment. Okay. Okay. Now actually sector means segment of sector ACDB means our quadrant, isn't it? This is a quadrant. Okay. So we have to find out area of segment using this area of this quadrant. So how will you get area of segment? We know the formula. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay. So here area of sector means area of quadrant. Okay. Area of quadrant formula 1 by 4 pi. See another radius. So I am taking this as R2 square minus area of triangle. What type of triangle is this? What type of triangle? Right triangle. So which formula can be applied? Half BH. So we have discussed in the previous video. Whenever we have a right triangle, we have to apply half BH. So half BH. Okay. Why we have taken this area of sector as 1 by 4 pi R2 square? Because it is a quadrant. Okay. It is a quadrant. So now 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into what is R2? What is R2? Radius of this quadrant? 7. Okay. So 7 into 7 minus 1 by 2 into what is base? Base and height. Base is 7 and height is also 7. So 7 into 7. Okay. Now simplification is left. 7 cancelled. Then 4 we can cancel. 4 and 22 both are divisible by 2. So here 2, here 11. Okay. So what is remaining? 77 by 2 minus here 49 by 2. What is it? 77. Both are like terms, isn't it? So we can write 77 minus 49 by 2. What is it? 77 minus 49 how much? 28 by 2. So the answer is 14 centimeter square. Okay. So we got area of segment as 14 centimeter square. Now see children. Now what is our question? Our question is find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment. Okay. So we can find out area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment equal to what is area of semicircle? 38.5. So 38.5 minus here area of segment is 14. So what is it? 38.5 minus 14, 5, 4, 2. So 24.5 centimeter square. Okay children. So area of shaded region is 24.5 centimeter square. Here is the homework. You have to do the calculations yourself. All the calculations should be there in the working column. After completing these notes and homework, you have to watch the next video for more problems. Okay, children? Thank you.